The global isostatic pressing market is projected to be $13,568.1 million United States dollars by 2030, growing at a CAGR of 7.0% during the forecast period. Sectors including energy, aerospace, medical devices, automotive, and manufacturing regularly use isostatic pressing. In this regard, the requirement for such technology is significantly impacted by the growing requirement for contemporary materials and components with brilliant features, like homogeneity, high density, and mechanical strength. The service category grips the larger industry share, as services are vital for the optimization, operation, maintenance, and associated machinery. The installation and commission of isostatic presses should be done correctly, to guarantee determined productivity. Installation services comprise integrating, setting up, and calibrating the present manufacturing infrastructure with the novel equipment. Numerous IP devices, like hot isostatic presses, high-pressure systems, cold isostatic presses, and their subsidiary parts are comprised in the systems category. To attain consolidation and expansion, such machines put even pressure on materials from every side. Reliant on the application and material needs, such systems utilize a variety of pressure mediums, such as water, oil and gases.